Bonjour from Strasbourg, the capital of the Alsace region. Today we're going to try some of the regional food here in Alsace and also take in all the beautiful sights of Strasbourg. Right now we're at the Petite France area and there are beautiful sights and shots just about everywhere you look down here. You have people that put locks, love locks on the bridge. What makes this area of France so special is because over the years it has gone between French and German control over the years. So it just made this very interesting regional area that has a very unique, beautiful look. Now let's check out the other sites. Our next quick stop is here at Place Kebler. It is one of the main squares here in Strasbourg, and there's a lot happening here. Again, a lot more beautiful buildings, and there's also a market happening here right now with lots of white tents set up. Don't know if that usually happens here, but it's happening today, so you never know what you'll find. So we had our first special Alsatian food here, and it is the tarte flambée, which is an extremely thin crust. It's almost like a cracker, and I don't know how they get it that thin. It's incredible, honestly. But we got the traditional at this place, and the traditional had creme fraiche and a fromage blanc on it and some pieces of ham and onions, and I did not expect it to be so tangy. It was very tangy, very interesting, and very unique food they have here, the Alsace region. And next we're gonna get a sweet treat to even out our food for the day. Here are one of the dessert specialties in the Alsace region. This is called the kougelhopf, I think it's called. And the top resembles a bundt cake, and then the bottom resembles like a popover. It's like kind of shaped like a mushroom. It looks like this one has almonds and raisins in it, and it has a dusting of powdered sugar, but it comes in with different fillings too. Let's try it. It's honestly like a piece of bread. Pretty light, but this one, the most flavor I'm getting is from the dried fruit in it. It's not my first go-to as far as pastries go, but something interesting to try. We're now at Strasbourg's main cathedral, the Notre Dame Cathedral, and first impressions, wow, this thing is massive. So much more big than I expected to be, and there's so many little intricacies just on the architecture and all the little statues and sculptures on it. It is quite the sight. You definitely have to come see this if you're in Strasbourg. We're gonna go in now. It looks like there's a bag check, but from what I know, this was built in the 1200s, and there is a 16th century astronomical clock inside that they say still works. So let's go see it. call me crazy, but this next spot is probably the thing I was most excited for. So if you didn't know, the symbol of this region, one of their symbols, is the stork. And we came, it's a little bit out of downtown, to this huge park. It's a beautiful park, but across the street from the park are these very interesting trees. I'm not exactly sure what the trees are, but at the top of them, storks build their nests. And there are around 100 storks that nest here and make this their home. And I guess they might mate early spring, because we're noticing a lot of the nests have little babies in them right now, and it's so cute. And just to see the storks flying too is so majestic and cool. I haven't ever really seen any up close in person like this before. So if you want to see something unique and see some local wildlife in this area, you need to add this to your itinerary. Crazy. There's another one going off. So we went into the park, and it's super big and beautiful, but in the middle of it is this beautiful building with all this landscaping, flowers blooming, and also more storks. There's storks that have built their nests on top of the building. There's storks flying around, walking around. It's incredible. This is honestly such a hidden gem. You have to come here if you stop in Strasbourg. And I forgot to mention that this building was built in honor of Napoleon's wife, Josephine.
Another real neat thing right next to the park is the European Union Parliament. And this is the official meeting place for the European Union, although they hold the votes in a different place, I believe Brussels.
Yeah.
I believe in Brussels. But really neat. They got all the country flags here of the EU. You can go in and take a tour of it. They have little signs with all the history and stuff. So if you're here and you have time and you're interested in seeing EU stuff, definitely check it out.
And that does it for Strasbourg for the day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our other videos about France, specifically in the Alsace region. So we hope you loved it as much as we did, and we'll see you in the next country. We're going to Switzerland next.
Like and subscribe for more videos.
Bye.